Hello my dear friends and welcome to this new cooking technique. Today we see how to make chicken in the pan while making a delicious little accompaniment juice. This technique allows you not to dirty your ovens and to obtain a well-hydrated chicken that will never be dry. Let's go! For my part, I prefer to debone my things, but it's not mandatory. All you have to do is clear the single bone that there is, and check that the piece of cartilage adjoining it is removed with it. Otherwise, you check and remove it afterwards. We done season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Then reroll each piece on itself. Prepare the rest of the ingredients. For 6 to 10 sticks, we will need a minced tomato, 2 cloves of garlic with the skin, half of minced onion, bay leaf, and 1 cup and a half white wine. Without forgetting, as a remember, salt, pepper, thyme. We will also need a total of 3 tablespoons of peanut oil, 2 for the garnish of the tomato, garlic, onion, vegetables, and another then for cooking the chicken. Over low heat, we will put 2 tablespoons of oil, then add the garlic, then the onion which we brown a little. Then we lightly roast the tomato. When it's done, everything is removed. Then remove onto the chicken, putting in the pan a tablespoon of oil. Remain at low fires. We are going to color the chicken on both sides. Then we remove all the oil. We reheat over a very low heat. We add raw vegetables and white wine. Just simmer for 7 minutes on each side. Chicken is the quickest meat to cook, so that total of 14 minutes is more than enough. After this time, it is ready. Serve with its delicious little juice, and fried potatoes will be fabulous. That's it, friends. It's time for me to leave to concoct other recipes for you. So I say see you very soon for new culinary adventures. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt.